Hello everyone, it's Thursday 24th June and the time right now is 4 p.m. and the temperature is positive 12 degrees Celsius and it's raining a little bit. And I am at Canmore Nordic Center today. And look at this moody sky with rocky mountains. Today I am here to buy the Kananaskis yearly pass. It's $90 for 2 cards. The Canmore Nordic Center is open until 5 p.m. Right now the atmosphere is, I can't explain guys, like what is the beauty of the nature. It's amazing. There is no word to explain the beauty of this mountain. And in the beauty, there is a danger always. Warning, bear in area. And if you like my blog, give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video updates. So many of you request me like do the nature work, do the mountain work in my IG and my YouTube channel in the comment box both. So that's why I'm doing the famous Canmore walk today. I'm not going too far because I'm not carrying any beer spray right now. So it's better to hear my voice, you hear the nature sound. lakes. Did you see, guys, the cloud at the peak of the mountains? Oh my god. And the smell of the mountains, I can explain, guys. It feels so good. I'm so lucky and blessed that I live in Alberta. And I live in Calgary. It's just 1 hour drive from Calgary city. Can you imagine it? Oh my god. They are mountain bikers. And here I'm going to show you guys the Canmore town from the highway. And I'm going to finish my walk here. Take care, stay safe, and enjoy the weather.